Now evil me, we're going to Kohl's to get me a summer outfit because I have 11 more days of school before summer break. You're gonna need to be on your best behavior, got that?
What? But Kirby FTW or FTL. Kohl's is like 30 minutes away. I want to go on my computer and troll some VGCP users.
Hey, no backtalking. Unless you want to be grounded.
Wait, how come Kirby FTW or FTL can't just go to the clothes store by himself?
Because some of the time, I get confused and can't choose an outfit.
Now get in the car, you jerkface.
Hey, come on, guys. Can't we just do this at any other day?
For the last goddamn time, no. We are getting so sick of your behavior. Shut the heck up.
Ugh, you guys are selfish.
What did you just say?
Nothing.
That's what I thought.
Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
For the last clapping goddamn stupid temper running idiotic time
Kirby FTW Dora FTL, keep your eyes locked on the road. Oh my god, we're gonna crash.
Oh my god. Is everyone okay?
Yeah, but now the car just crashed into a wall. Now we can't go to Kohl's for your summer outfit.
Oh my god, evil me. You are in a bunch of trouble.
Are you all okay?
Yes, I am. My nice clone caused the car crash. Please arrest him, you moron.
Hey, don't ever call me a moron.
Don't worry, officer. He'll be grounded big time. Can you please send a tow truck and drive us home?
Okay.
Evil Kirby FTW Dora FTL. How dare you cause the car crash and not let Kirby FTW Dora FTL go to Kohl's?
Oh, you're in so much brutal trouble now. You're grounded for 85 decillion millennia. Go to your room right now and think about what you've done.